Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Threads. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Threads and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.